Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, one way to create fog is to take very mild and very humid air and pass it over a cold surface. In this case, the cold surface tonight being the snowpack. Of course, temperatures today in the 40s, very humid. A lot of that humidity has condensed, and that's why we have some of the fog outside tonight. In fact, a dense fog advisory till 2 o'clock in the morning, but visibilities overnight should be improving. As far as the rain that we had today, it's long gone. We picked up about a third of an inch of rain, and we don't anticipate any more. Certainly don't need a heavy rainstorm, and all the drains clogged up with ice and snow would have caused a real serious problem. But for the most part, it was just nuisance street flooding, and we still have some big puddles on the roads outside, along with some slush. But temperatures are above freezing, so we don't have a hard freeze. Somewhere down there is the campus at URI. It's at the quad. Time lapse showing all the low clouds, the fog, and the poor visibility. And even in Providence, some fog, though I have noticed in the last hour the visibility has come up a little bit in downtown Providence. Temperatures now upper 30s to low 40s. New Bedford, Newport, Block Island 37. Here in Providence at 41 on a southwest breeze at 7. Of course, the humidity sky high now coming in at 93%. But again, well above freezing. May come close to the freezing mark by daybreak, but as far as a hard freeze and all that slush and water just freezing up solid overnight, we don't see that. But slushy streets overnight, that dense fog advisory till 2 o'clock in the morning. Active weather pattern, 2 chances for snow. One coming up from midweek, another one for the latter part of the upcoming weekend, as we talk more about that in our 7-day Futurecast. But in the meantime, it is quiet in terms of any heavy precipitation, upper 30s to low 40s outside right now. As we widen out the view, you can see the rain from today pulling offshore, but we're still left with some cloudiness. But drier air, Pennsylvania, upstate New York, will come through overnight. You'll notice it tomorrow. The clouds will break apart and we'll get some sunshine. Futurecast shows this very well. 11 o'clock tonight and beyond, low clouds and fog. But watch what happens overnight. A lot of that breaking apart. We see some clearing. Here we are at 7 o'clock in the morning, becoming partly to mostly sunny, looking pretty good as we advance the map to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Sunshine mixing with some fair weather clouds. Not bad for late afternoon and early evening. Clear tomorrow night. Colder tomorrow night, so standing water and slush in your driveway or sidewalk, that will freeze solid, as we do expect a colder night tomorrow night. Futurecast for tonight, low clouds and fog will continue as temperatures drop to the upper 30s to around 40. And for tomorrow morning, 36 degrees, a mix of clouds and sunshine, cool on a west breeze at 15 to 20. The wind picking up, kind of breezy tomorrow afternoon, but enough sunshine, at least partly sunny skies, to get temperatures up into the low and mid 40s. So there'll be some more melting taking place. So overall, tomorrow's not bad. Wednesday, the daylight hours, fine. In fact, I expect some sunshine. Any snow Wednesday night would be very late at night. I'm thinking around midnight. We'll be watching a coastal storm, and how close will determine how much snow we get. But this one's going to be a very quick mover, so as far as excessive snow, I don't see that, but dry during the daylight hours, light snow late at night. Accumulations are possible. My early thinking might be 1 to 3 inches of snow, with the highest chance actually being on the south shore very late Wednesday night. And then by Thursday, it heads out to sea. I expect some sunshine by Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon. There may be some light snow very early, perhaps some slick spots or slick streets early on Thursday morning, but the weather will improve with a temperature at 38. Looking good for Friday. Next potential coastal storm with snow appears to be Saturday night into Sunday. Stay tuned on this one. Notice, I mean, it's still many days out, but it is worth watching. Temperatures over the weekend will be colder in the mid to upper 30s. So improving weather for tomorrow. 45 this time of year is pretty good, so some more melting taking place. And again, next chance for snow late Wednesday night, ending early Thursday morning.
I don't think anybody wants to hear about snow anymore.
Not another flake.
Not another flake. All right, thanks, Tony.